Today I wanted to go over just a quick visual comparison of something I find really cool. Over here we have chlorophyll. This is the green pigment found in plants. And over here we have heme, which is the red pigment found in red blood cells in hemoglobin, right? I'm sure you guys have all heard of both of these, but I just kind of wanted to go over, you can just kind of look really quickly. Very similar looking structures. There is a carbon tail that's not drawn in here. That's kind of a big difference, but the other thing would just be the central metal, which I'll get to.